Charlie Munger once saw IED. The first $100,000 AES a bitchy H, but you gotta do it. And HE was alright. Getting to $100,000 AES, the EH are to finance a tile goal you'll ever hit. But here's why nobody tells you. Once you hit $100,000, your money starts working. Harder than you do. It took me 10 years to save my first $100,000. And it only took about a year to get to $150,000. That's not luck. That's math. That's compound interest kicking in. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the fastest, most aggressive strategy to save your first $100,000. No BS, no fluff, just the exact playbook that works. And I'm going to show you why this number changes everything about your financial future. Let's go. 8R8. Let's talk about why $100,000 IES at the GIC number. Nearly 40% of Amir ICANN struggle to cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing or selling something. But if you can get to $100,000, you're in a completely different financial universe. You have options, you have leverage, you have secure ID, you have the E foundation to build real wealth. W with $100,000 invested at a HYPOTH 80 cola 5% annual return, you'll make $5,000 in 1 year with no extra effort. After 10 years, you'll have added $62,000 to your assets. But here's the E problem. Most people never get the air. The I save for a few months, S give up, and stay broke forever. Today, I'm breaking down the 7-step system to save your first $100,000 as fast as possible. This is aggressive. This is intense. But if you execute, you can hit $100,000 in 5 to 7 years, even on a median salary. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get obsessed W with THE goal. 5 things first. You need to become obsessed with hitting $100,000. Having the HER money mindset ES really credit call and determines how successful you are with your money. You have to dex at you are ready to start saving. Thy S can't be a casual goal. Thy SH has to be the goal. Everything else comes second. Why? Because saving your first $100,000 will probably be the most important variable in reaching financial independence. Here's what obsession looks like. You calculate how much you need to save every single month to hit $100,000 in your target timeline. You track your net worth weekly. Every week you look at the E number and ask, am I getting closer? You surround yourself with people who are also building wealth, not people who are spending every paycheck check. You say no to almost everything that costs money and doesn't move you toward $100,000. One woman saved $100,000 in 3.5 years without making a X-figure salary. How? Obsession, discipline, sacrifice. Real talk. If you want to save your first $100,000 in 5 years, the goal for the initial years should be to save about $25,000. All years should be to save about $25,000. It might seem like a tall order, but with consistency and smart money management, it's doable. Thea, it's $2,083 per month. Can you do that? If not, how close can you get? Calculate your number. Make it your phone wallpaper. Track it relentlessly. Thigh SIS, Step 1. Get obsessed. Step 2. Cut expenses like your life depends on it. If you're IU's about hitting $100,000 fast, you need to live cheap. I'm talking aggressively cheap. Investor Charlie Munger said, the first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. I don't care what you have to do. If it means walking everywhere and not eating anything that wasn't purchased with a coupon, find a way to get your hands on $100,000. Here's what that actually looks like. Housing. Get a roommate. Live with your parents. Move to a cheaper city. Your rent should be 25% of your income max. If it's more, you're wasting money. Transportation. One person started riding the bus to work to save money on gas and maintenance. No car payment. No Uber. No new car. Dr. I have a 10-year-old Honda or take the e-bus. Food. Learn to cook to avoid DDing out. Meal prep. Buy in bulk. No restaurants, no DoorDash. You're cooking at home for the next 5 years. Enter ta inment. Cancel streaming services. No. Expensive hobby as. No concerts, no TRIPs. You can do all of that after you hit $100,000. Cloth S. Set a budget to limit how much money you're spending on clothing. You don't need new cloth S. You need $100,000. The IS sounds extreme, and it IX. But one person was able to continuously save over 80% of the EIR income by making the ESE exact sacrifices. If you're not willing to sacrifice now, you'll be stuck at zero forever. Step 3. Increase your income. Aggressively cutting expenses only gets you so far. At some point, you hit a floor. You can't cut rent to zero, you can't stop eating, so you need to make more money. A lot more. Your journey to your first $100,000 begins with hard work and a relentless pursuit of revenue, generating opportunities. Say yes more often than no and prioritize long-term success over short-term cash inflow. Here's how. Ask for a ROIC. If you haven't asked in the E last year, do it the yes week. Prepare your case, show your value. Ask for 10% to 20% more. Switzy H jobs. Job hoppers make 20% to 30% more than people who stay put. Every 2 to 3 years, interview and move to a higher paying job. Learn high-income skills. Learning in-demand skills like coding, data science, deep learning, or anything related to the EAI industry can increase your salary by $20,000 to $50,000. Start a C-day hustle. Freelance consulting, online business. One founder started her FIRST, $100,000 as a side D hustle, and it anged everything. Work overtime. If your job offers overtime, take it. Every extra dollar goes to savings. Real example. One person landed a job in consulting the asset PAID, $8,250 per year after graduating college in 2019. By staying at home for 2 years and saving aggressively, the DI hit $100,000 by age 24. Your income assess your most powerful wealth. Building tool. Maximize it. Step 4. Automate your savings and investments. Here's the secret. You can't rely on willpower, you need systems. Automate your savings. Money should go from your paycheck to your investment accounts before you even see it. Here's the E system. Set up automatic C transfers on payday. As soon as your paycheck hits $500, $1,000, $2,000. Whichever your target IS, automatically moves to your investment account. Max out your 401k. SBI ally if your employer makes HDHs. The hash, that's free money. If your employer offers a RTI rement savings plan, you should be party C putting in it. Max out your Roth IRA, $7,000 per year. Tax-free growth forever. Everything else goes into a taxable brokerage account. Low-cost index funds. S&P 500. Total stock market. Investing a small amount every month is better than waiting to invest until you have a large sum, says Tori Dunlap, founder of her first $100,000. Why does automation matter? Because if you save $10,000 a year with a hypothetical 5% return, it could take you slightly more than 8 years to reach $100,000. About 80% of each amount will come from your savings, and 20% will come from compounding. But if you don't automate, you'll spend the money every single time. Automation removes the temptation. Set it, forget it, let it grow. Step 5. Invest aggressively, not conservatively. Here's where most people screw up. The I save the EIR money in a savings account, earning 1% to 5%. The it's not going to get you to $100,000 fast. You need to invest in the IE stock market aggressively. Tor I. Dunlap says, women want to start investing compared to men because they are nervous about making a mistake. But the S costs them serious money. Here's what to invest in. Low-cost index funds. S&P 500, VOOSPY, total stock market, VTI, VTSAX. Target date funds, if you want to set it and forget it. THE stock market has averaged 10% returns for almost 100 years. While the stock market can drop for weeks, months, or even years, it has always rebounded. Do not try to buy CK and IV dual stocks. Do not day trade. Do not put money in crypto unless you're prepared to lose it all. Just buy index funds and hold. Year 4 IS all about leveraging WH that you've built so far. It's the perfect time to start investing in the stock market. You don't have to put all your money in the e-market. Just start with small amounts like $500 a month. The HEIDES to build the EH a bit. WHY does the ES matter? Because once you reach $200,000, your H wipeth equal annualized return will H of the E's same dollar value as the IE amount saved each year. 5% times $200,000 equals $10,000. At point, your money IS working as HARD as you are. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. At ALL cost the SIS, THE trap the ass at kills 90% of people. You get a RIC. You make more money, and immediately you upgrade your life. Bigger apartment, NI car, more expensive H habits. And guess what? You're still broke. You're just broke at a higher income level. The SPH phenomenon IS called lifestyle inflation. To save your first $100,000, you each have to learn how to control the S type of inflation. Here's the E rule. WH and your income goes up, your lifestyle does not. Get a $10,000 raise, that entire $10,000 goes to savings and investments, not to a nicer apartment. Bonus at work? Straight to investments, not to a vacation. One person sa ED. Rather than purchase clothing, jewelry, or frequently buy food, I learned to delay gratification. I learned that by putting off a lot of the mother IL items I had dreamed of purchasing and learning to say no to Dr. Inks, outings, vacations. I was able to save a ton of money. The difference between someone who saves $100,000 and someone who stays broke forever is this. The saver delays gratification. The broke person inflates their lifestyle. Which one are you going to be? Step 7. Track your progress and stay motivated. The final step, track your net worth obsessively. One investor say ID, charting annual portfolio amounts and looking at the Yates length of time to reach the next $100,000 IS, pretty instructive and motivating. Use a spreadsheet. Use an app like Personal Capital or Mint. WH, it ever works. But track it. WHY? Because watching your net worth grow is addictive. It becomes a game. One person said, the ability to see meaningful change in the dollar value of my portfolio has been a powerful motivator to save and invest. If I have $500 invested and I get a 5% return, I've made a whopping $25, but if I have $100,000 and get the same return, I've made $5,000. Here's the timeline. It takes about 7.84 years to save your first $100,000, yes, saving $10,000 per year and earning 7% per year. But it only takes 5.1 more years to save your second $100,000. That's 35% faster. EXH milestone comes faster. $0 to $100,000, 7 to 10 years. $100,000 to $200,000, 4 to 5 years. $200,000 to $300,000. 3 years, $300,000 to $500,000. 4 years. It takes about 25.5% of the time to get that first $100,000, and only 74.5% of the time to save the remaining $900,000 to reach $1 million. Thagaich first $100,000 if the ETH artist. But once you're there, momentum takes over. All right, let's recap how to save your first $100,000. Fast 1. Get obsessed with the HE goal. Make it your life priority. 2. Cut expenses aggressively. Live CH heap for 5 years. Increase your income. Switch H jobs. Side hustle. Level up. 4. Automate savings and investments. Remove willpower from the EC equation. 5. Invest aggressively in index funds. Compound interest is your weapon. 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Delay gratification. 7. Track your progress. Watch the number grow. Here's the truth. Most people will never hit $100,000 by May because they're not willing to sacrifice now. For freedom later. But you? You're different. You're watching the S video. You're taking notes. You're ready to execute. WH and you hit the $100,000 mark. It's more than just a number. It's a symbol of discipline, strategic planning, and the peace of mind knowing that you have created a robust safety net. $100,000 is the foundation for everything. It's the launch. HPAD to $500,000, the N $1 million, the N finance aisle freedom. But you have to do the E work. You have to sacrifice. You have to stay obsessed. If the S fired you up, smash that like button. Subscribe BE for more aggressive wealth. Building strategy S and drop a comment. How much H have you saved toward your first $100,000? I'll see you in the EE next one. Now go execute. Peace.